Sarura Kids. Hello, welcome to Sarura Kids. My name is Ruva. Today we're going to do the sharks of the family, the sharks. Make sure to subscribe down below and do some likes. You'll need some colors, you'll need a pencil, and you'll need a marker to highlight that thing. So number 1, you're going to do baby shark. First, you want to do a line like this, then do it to the other side. Then, you want to make that tail. When you finish that, you make the nose, which is just a line. Then you make a smile. When you've done that, you do a circle for the eyes. Then you just do that. Then colour in, but not that little pupil. And then you want to just outline it to make that colour thing. Okay, when you've done that, you want to colour in it. You want to colour the baby shark light blue. When you finish colouring him in, you want to make the gills because you want him to breathe. And that is your baby. That is baby shark. Done. Next, we're going to do Mummy Shark. Make a big line, but just big because Mummy Shark is big. And then you want to make it big like that, and have big fin. Her big tail at the end. Then you want to make her nose. And make her smile. Then you want to add her eyes and her little pupil. Then you want to colour that in, but not the pupil. And then you want to give her some eyelashes. Just 3 simple eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. Then you want to highlight it again. just like Baby Shark. Now, excuse me, we are going to do the Daddy Shark. Now, instead of making a line, an oval shape like that, we're going to make a straight shape for him. Just like that. Then you want to do this. Do his mouth. His tail. Then through his mouth. Then you want to do his fin.
What is television?
Then you just want to just do a line here. Do that because he has really sharp teeth. Then you want to make a circle for his eyes. Tiny people, color him in.
And a fin on his back, isn't there?
And a fin on his back. Yes, that's right, Gaga.
Oh, Daddy Shark.
Daddy Shark. You then want to outline him. Through his mouth, sharp teeth. Okay. Through his fins. This is the top fin. Sorry, I didn't do that. When you finish that, you want to color him, not light blue like Baby Shark, but you just want to color him in dark blue. And that, everybody, is how you make your daddy shark.
Oh, that's Daddy Shark. Do 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 do.
Fin. 1, 2, 3. Well done, everybody.
Well done, Ruva.
Thanks, Gaga. Now, we are going to make Grandma Shark. Now,
Ah, that's me.
just like Gaga. So, it's just like Mummy Shark and Baby Shark. Big oval. But Grandma's have wrinkles. So for her mouth, you just do like that, but not too many. Then you want to make her nose. Then her glasses. Just the one. When you've done that, you want to make her gills, like it just said.
You can use the blue for gills, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't have to.
Different color.
Yeah, maybe different color. And that's how you make Grandma Shark. Just like Daddy Shark, you just do a simple line. Then you want to do this. He's not going to have any teeth, so you want to make that line more longer. So you just want to make it oval shape.
Oh, all the teeth are gone.
All
His teeth are gone.
Uh-huh. When you've done that, you want to make his fin. I mean his tail.
Mm-hmm.
When you've done your tail, you want to make his eyes. And just like Grandma Shark, he's got glasses too.
Oh yeah, those wrinkles, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. When you've done that, you want to make his fin at the bottom.
Bottom fins.
And his top fin. But before you do that, it's not like the other old fins, just like an oval shape like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like that. We are going to make it this. Do a little tiny gap Yes.
Oh, he's got a stylish fin.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Maybe bit him or something. But that doesn't matter.
Grandpa Shark, do. Yes, there he goes. It looks very beautiful, isn't it, Ruva?
Yeah.
He's like his father.
Yeah, just like his father. Keep on colouring in darker blue. Keep on colouring, keep on colouring, keep on colouring. Keep on colouring.
Wow, that's a lovely brother shark. I love you.
So let's recap what we've done. We've done brother shark. We've done grandpa shark. We have done grandma shark.
Which one is Grandma Shark?
We have done grandma shark. Daddy shark.